Aloha everyone, welcome to the Alpha One982 YouTube family. My name is Dale and today we're gonna make this beautiful paracord bracelet called the Endless Falls, originally done by T.I.A.T All Up Together, or T.I.A.T. So thanks guys for this brilliant design, really appreciate it. And if you wanna find out how to make this paracord bracelet, stay tuned. So let's start. For today's bracelet we're gonna need this neon green paracord 550, total length 4.5 feet or 1.5 meters, this paracord buckle 5/8 of an inch, and this also paracord 550, the black one, total length 3 feet or 1 meter. First we need to insert the cord into the buckle from the one side, so take it and from the top down through this loop here, like this, and that's it. You're actually making the basic cow hitch. Now do the same with the neon green. From the bottom side insert one strand and from the other one also. And here we are. We actually made the two cow hitches, one with the black and one with the neon green. So now let's start. Take this black and make a loop with crossing those two blacks like this. So the simple loop, just cross those two cords, and then take the neon green, take those two ends, make the room in the center, and through that loop or a room, pull the neon green. Now take it and tie it up well, this black. Adjust a bit this neon green, like this, and here we have the first knot. Now continue, again make the basic loop crossing those two black cords, like this, and then again take the neon green, make it from the bottom through the middle, tie it up well, these black ones, and pull the neon green. Now adjust a bit those strands and tie it well. Now let me remove this part so it won't. So this is the Endless Fall paracord bracelet, originally created and made by the T.I.A.T All Up Together. So big thanks go to them. That was the first way to make the endless fall paracord bracelet. Now I'm gonna show you the second way how you can make it. It's similar to the first. You again make the loop with those two black ones, but you won't twist them, you won't do the crossing like this. You will just simply align them like this, so they are free, and the neon green will actually make the knot with them and secure it. So when you cross them like this, take the neon green, make the space in the middle, and pull it those two strands of neon green through. Now tighten it. Evenly secure it. Adjust each side so you'll have the clear knot. This starting one is always the tricky one, but continue with the second. Right cord and the left making the loop, and the neon green through the inside in the middle. And now here, when we reach the end or the length desired for our bracelet, as you can see here, we need to lock or finish it. So we need to connect it with the buckle. So when you inserted the cords into the buckle, simply make the finishing with the basic Salomon knot. So take the black cords, this one on top, this one on top of this, under the base of the bracelet, and to the loop on the right side. And tighten it up. So now we are locked our bracelet. All we're left is to cut the excess of a cord, melt it down, and we're finished. So here we are, our Paracord bracelet handles falls is finished. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please give a thumbs up, consider to subscribe if you are new here, share this video with your friends and the family, and enjoy every week 2 new videos on your one and only Alpha 1982 YouTube family channel. You can also consider to support our channel and become a patron on the Patreon. So go and check it out, www.patreon.com/alpha1982. I truly hope that you enjoyed. I did. So until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. Bye.